Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Our today's video topic is why string is immutable in Java. In this topic we will see what is the string, then what is string immutability, then why string is immutable in Java. Next I will explain the immutable string and how we can create the immutable string. So first I will start with what is string. In Java, string is nothing but it is a sequence of the character or the group of the character. But in Java, the string is nothing but it is an object which can stores the or which can having the number of the characters. For example, if you have the string Hefshine, it means it has the number of the characters H, E, F, S, H, I, N, E. So that is a string. Next question arises, what is string immutability? As we know, we can create the string by using the string class. String class is a final class. It means we can't extend it or we can't inherit it. So that is a final class. When we create the string by using the string class, there are the two ways to create the string. First one is by using the string literal and second one is by using the new keyword. But in both cases, when we create the new string, the string object is created. So that string object is stored in SCP. That is the string constant pool. So the string constant pool is nothing but it is a memory area or it is a part of the memory heap memory area which is used to store the object of the string type object, and the reference of that object is stored in the stack area which is also one part of the heap memory. So the question arises, what is the string immutability or what is immutable string? So the meaning of the immutable word is it is unchangeable over the time. It means once we create the string, we can't change its value in a same object. That is the immutability of the string or the string immutable. So in Java, the string is immutable. There are the various reasons behind it to have the string as immutable. So I will explain them one by one. When we use the string, there are the various points that are considered when we use string class. So there is where the memory management, then the security, then the synchronization, etc. So I will explain them one by one. First one is the memory management. As I said, when we create the string by using the string literal or by using the new keyword, the object of the string is string time object is created and that's stored inside the SCP in string constant pool. So let's consider one example. We have the three string by name S1, S2 and S3. All the strings having the same value. That is, if S1 string S1 having the value Pune, string S2 having value Pune, and also string S2 having the value Pune. It means when we create the string S1, at that time JVM check whether that string is already present in the SCP in string constant pool. As this string is not already present, it creates the new string and returns the reference of that created string to the reference variable which is present in a stack area. When we create the string S2 by same value by using the Pune, the string is already present inside the SCP. So the first JVM check whether that string is already present. As this string is already present, it returns its reference already existing object reference to the S2 variable. Same happen in case of the S3. It means in this case the S1, S2 and S3 all three variables are pointing to the same object, that is the Pune. But if we change the value of the S2 string In that case, it create the confusion or it affect on the remaining two strings. To avoid that, we use the string is immutable. It means uh, to avoid that string is immutable in Java. Next, uh, we string is a very popular used data type, non-primitive data type. String is basically or probably used in the database connection, network connections, and in username and password system. So these are the very secure systems. So if the string is immutable, then any hacker can hack it and change its value. So it can destroy the security. So to avoid that, we string provided or the string is immutable. To avoid that, and to provide the safety or security. Next, the string is also used as an argument to the class loader. So, as the string immutability property, it loads the right class. It means it is a secure. So, these were the some reasons to have the string as a immutable in Java. So that was all about the string immutability. Next, I will explain what is a immutable string. So if as I said, the next is a mutable string. So the mutable string is a string, its value we can change over the time. So there are the two class are used to create the immutable string. These are the string buffer and string builder. Both class having the same nature, but string builder is unsynchronized. That is the one basic difference between the both. So guys, that was all about the string immutability. Thank you so much.